In this video, let me show you how to use Snapchat without internet. Even if you do not have internet connection currently, there are a few things that you can do and use Snapchat without having Wi-Fi or internet. So what you can do is simply head over to this platform, and firstly what you can do without internet is record any videos. Once you record some video that you like, you can also make some edits such as trim and add in different text or filters. Once you have made changes to your video, what you can do is tap on the save option and save these videos into memories. Once you do that, this video will be saved, and whenever you want to check it later on, you can also do that. But however, the only thing that you cannot do is you cannot send any snaps without having internet connection. Even if you do tap on send now, only way those snaps will be sent is whenever you will be connected to the internet. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.